Namaste, dear students. On this remarkable occasion of Independence Day, we at GyanSootra stand proud to celebrate the spirit of freedom and unity. Our journey of learning and growth is intertwined with the story of our nation's struggle for independence. As we continue to strive for excellence, let's take a moment to honor the sacrifices that have paved the way for opportunities we enjoy today. The pages of history remind us of the unwavering determination, courage, and sacrifices of countless heroes who envisioned a free and united nation. Just as they fought for a brighter tomorrow, we too are shaping our future through education, empowerment, and a deep commitment to our nation. Our students are torch bearers of progress, armed with knowledge and the power to make positive changes. Your dreams and aspirations echo the dreams of a nation that continues to evolve. As we celebrate our freedom, let us also remind ourselves of the responsibilities that come with it. Let's pledge to be responsible citizens, contributing to the growth and prosperity of our beloved nation. The strength of our nation lies in its diversity, and we embrace this diversity wholeheartedly. Together, we stand united, celebrating our differences and working towards a brighter tomorrow. On this Independence Day, let us remember that the journey to greatness begins with the desire to learn, the courage to grow, and the commitment to serve. Happy Independence Day from GyanSootra. May we continue to learn, lead, and inspire.